As they neared the village, they means parents and the child, all three. The village, the child could see, child he was able to see many other footpaths full of throngs. Throngs means many vehicles converging to the whirlpool of the fair. And they were converging the people to the whirlpool of the fair. Whirlpool means round and round. And felt at once repelled. And he felt at once that he was repelling and fascinated, means attracted by the confusion of the word he was entering. Means, as you know that fair, it is a crowded place. So he was just repelling and fascinated by the confusion of the word he was entering. A sweetmeat seller. Sweet means the person who selling the sweets, mithai. Seller hogged. Hogged means he was crying to sell his things, gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. At the corner of the entrance, at the corner of that fair entrance, and a crowd pressed round. Where the crowd, it was pressing them round. His counter at the foot of, his counter means sweetmeat seller's counter at the foot of an architecture. Means it was just decorated, many colored sweets. And they were decorated with leaves of silver. Leaves and silver means the silver and gold thin paper. The child stared means he looked open-eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi because it was his favorite sweet. In very low voice he said that he wanted that barfi, but he half knew. What he half knew? As he begged that this plea, as he was asking for this request, would not be heeded, because his parents would say he was greedy. Parents, they would not be agree, and they would thought that he was greedy. Child was greedy, that is why he was asking that barfi. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. He moved on from there. Then again a flower seller hogged. Hogged means he was crying to sell his things. A garland of gulmohar. Garland means एक हार बना हुआ. A garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. Drawn means उसको लग रहा था वो खींचा चला जा रहा है. He bent towards the basket where the flowers lay. Heaped means ढेर बनाकर रखे गए थे. And half murmured, I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers. But he well knew that parents, they would not be agree to buy him those flowers, because they would say they were cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Every time he knew the habit, means the way of talking or the way of refusing of his parents, that is why he was not saying anything. Actually, he was not demanding. But it is also true that he was fascinated. He was attracted by the things and he wanted to have all the things. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. A man. He was holding a pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors. Child, he was also simply carried away means he was attracted by the rainbow glory of. Rainbow means 7 colors. Glory of their silken colors. Colors means that balloons color. And he was filled with an overwhelming means overjoyed. Desire means wish. To possess means to take them all the balloons. But he well knew his parents would never buy him. Parents, they will not be agree. The balloons, because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. What they would say, he knew very well that child, he is too old to play such toys, means to play with balloons. So he walked on further. Moved from there. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket. Its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck, gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. So, what did he see? A snake charmer stood playing a flute. to a snake. Snake charmer means the person who just play a bean to hold the snake with coiled itself in a basket. Its head, snake's head, raised in a graceful bend. Graceful means जैसे सांप अपना सिर उठा लेता है, like the neck of a swan, हंस की तरह. While the music stole into the invisible ears, because we cannot see the ear of snake, like the gentle rippling, and it was just like the gentle falling of an invisible waterfall. The child bent towards the snake charmer. He bent there, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. But he knew very well that parents they will deny to hear such coarse means not pleasant, music as the snake charmer played. He proceeded further, and child, he proceeded further. There was a roundabout in full swing, and further there was a roundabout, Gol Jhula. Men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion. Shrieked means they were crying with laughter, cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently. The child he was watching, and then he made a bold request. And after so many things, just like when he was just chasing the dogs, when he was just chasing the insect, balloon, sweetmeat seller, gulmohar, garland seller, many. Now he had the bold request, I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. He said that he wanted to have the ride. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. Ahead of him, he turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them.